Health benefits of raisins. Raisins are dried grapes, typically of the dark-colored varieties. The drying process involves removing the water content from the grapes, resulting in small, dark, and shriveled fruits. The most common types of grapes used for making raisins are Thompson seedless and Black Corinth. Nutrient-rich. Raisins are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Natural sweetener. They add natural sweetness to dishes without the need for added sugars. Antioxidant properties. Raisins contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. Digestive health. High fiber content promotes a healthy digestive system and prevents constipation. Bone health. Rich in calcium and boron, raisins contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Iron source. Raisins are a good source of iron, supporting the prevention of anemia. Energy boost. Natural sugars in raisins provide a quick energy boost, making them a great snack. Heart health. Potassium and fiber content contribute to heart health by maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Dental health. Compounds in raisins may help inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease. Versatile snack. Convenient, portable, and versatile for snacking or adding to various dishes.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.